Hey guys, we're in Fort Collins, Colorado. I was exploring the other day and I met Josh at Precision Ebikes. You just have an amazing history in the e-bike space. This shop has been around for just a year or so here in Fort Collins, 2023, but you've been in the industry since what, 2011, Josh? Is that
I got started early. I was a big fan of Power Assist and Endless Fear and the chat groups, and we were actually hand making bikes. I got started in '99 when I saw the whole industry starting to take off at a trade show. And then I went to school at UMass and studied light electric vehicle design. We were hand making bikes at Hampshire College. This is one of the designs that we were doing. This was a electric mountain bike, one of my engineers. When I was working at Aerobic Cruiser, we worked with a fella called Ron Rocha, and he helped develop the Rocha drive. And that was a model aircraft motor, a helical cut gear reduction, and then a double clutch freewheel. And then we ran it through a 7-speed Shimano Alpine hub.
Oh, yeah.
And, that was about an 80-mile range. 24 volts and 20 amp hours of lithium iron phosphate, our safest battery technology. So
amazing. I was really enjoying our conversation the other day. We talked for quite a while because I covered the Aerobic Cruiser.
Oh, yeah.
I think, do you remember where it was?
It was down in Memphis, Tennessee.
Awesome.
Yeah, I've got some pictures here, you know. So in 2008, they hired me and said, we'd like to make this. And it was this funky drawing, right?
Look at it, full suspension. You're talking to me there.
Oh, yeah. And so then we made a proof of concept prototype. My buddy came down and we were riding it. And then we started making more so of the actual prototype, where we were running a mid-drive through an Evinci hub and getting a feel for it. And then we went to a product that was produced out of Rand's aircraft in Kansas. And this frame ended up using a BMC hub motor, full suspension, a 3-speed, and they were going for a 100-mile range. So we had, I think it was like 36 volts and 40 amp hours of juice. It was like a big battery pack, you know.
Dude, hearing about did you say New Vinci?
Yeah, that was a New Vinci back in the day. Now it's Envio.
Enviolo.
Yeah.
So it's continuously variable transmission. That was so cool. So this was really cutting edge stuff at the time. And what the point I want to make is this shop is unique because people can come in here, they learn a bit about the history, and they can also maybe have you install a kit or something.
Sure. Yeah, we work with electric bike kits. We work with Bafang Motor Systems. We work with EBO, Electric Bike Outfitters out of Denver.
Oh, I love those guys.
Oh,
Jason.
yeah. Really nice equipment, lightweight, really efficient. We also worked with 100G this year, where we got a 10-pound kit that was just phenomenal. This lady had a handmade bike out of magnesium, super lightweight, and she was like, I don't want this kit to weigh more than 10 pounds, and we got it.
Oh, my gosh.
And it was really advanced, where we used an app on the phone to be able to modify the parameters to her needs for her speeds. Wow. So we really were able to tune that for her, and that's where we're going now. We just got certified with Bosch, so we're working with being able to set them up. Yeah. We work for several different companies, Rad Power, Electric. We
So it's like if someone buys these, a lot of them are direct to consumer, but you would repair them, you could help maybe fix something. And
a lot of times people will send us the bike and we'll build it for them.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll fit it to their body type. And then they go out and then they come back and we get a 100-mile tune on it.
Nice.
And be able to set them up. And then we got a customer. We've got bikes like Priority Bikes, Rad Power, Electric, Muon, Ezee. I mean, we've got a great list. And we just brought Blix on with
Hey, I love Blix.
Oh, yeah.
They got the
really
Soul,
cool.
the Cruiser, and some of these other things.
So we're doing the cargo bikes for them.
Yeah.
Colorado has this really neat Department of Energy rebate, where they're giving out this great rebate, and so
people can talk to you about that too and figure out how it works.
Yeah, we're a certified.
So this is just so cool because if you assemble the bike correctly initially, it's probably going to shift better for longer and run better. Maybe get do you true wheels and stuff here too?
We do. This is a hand built wheel that we just did for an e-bike kit. They just had a couple of broken spokes, and we rebuilt it with a 1 cross with a stronger spoke that is a butted spoke.
Yeah.
And so this is a hand-built wheel that we did for them.
It's
so
spinning perfectly too.
Oh yeah, this is clean.
Good job. And look at all the tools. I mean, it's a cozy space here, but you've kind of got all the fix-ins. There's a bunch of forks and, you know, slime and accessories and locks and stuff. And then back here, some of these cool bikes.
We need very specialized tools. We use the little, you know, bike testing systems, and then we make little modifications to be able to fit it to particular motors. We've got a whole pile of those. We do our own wires. We've got throttles and different options that we can help people with.
Yeah, even little sprockets and stuff.
Oh yeah,
a lot of tools here.
Yeah.
They're very so. There's a lot to share. I just wanted to do a quick, you know, introduction and tell people where you are here in Fort Collins. Can you give the address real quick?
We're at 1720 West Mulberry Street. We're right by City Park.
Oh yeah,
we've got a great park for people to ride their bikes around. Really nice area. They've got over 80 miles of bike paths that are just a wonderful place to ride here.
And so many sunny days. What are the brands that you're excited about that you carry here? Because I see some, you know, full suspension kind of stuff going on.
So this is a new one from Thundercycle. This has the new Bafang system with a torque system in it. A very wonderful 45-pound full carbon fiber electric mountain bike.
Wow.
We're carrying Blix for their cargo bikes. We've got Muon from the Dutch folks. This is the Aspire single-speed city bike. I've worked with Ezee for over a decade. They've been in business for over 20 years, making a really professional-grade transportation bike. That's our main focus, is helping people to get around town.
Well, yeah, great commuter setup with the fenders and the lights and everything on this.
Exactly, yeah.
Is that one just for show, just kind of like a museum piece here? Or
this blue one?
Yeah, are you selling that or what?
No. This is the second frame, and we aspire to be able to build our own frames at some point. I'd like to put those into production. This was a really fun one. But generally speaking, right now, my main focus is on servicing the electric bicycle industry.
Okay.
So many people come to us and they're like, we don't have anywhere to get our bikes fixed.
Right.
And that's the key. This is a Keola. This is a Magnum.
Yeah, Magnum.
This is...
Oh, this is cool. Is it Super 7? No, it's something.
No, it's an Engway. This is a...
Liberty Trike.
Liberty Trike.
Gotta love that, Jason.
We've got a demo. This is a Jones
I love
custom
these.
bike that's going to get a Bafang HD setup with the pedal torque drive system. Yeah, we're seeing everything. We've seen the Mercedes, the Harley Davidson bike came in. Yeah.
Serial One, I think, was that the one from Harley?
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful little shop, you guys. Again, this is just a free, fun, community building kind of thing. Back at ElectricBikeReview.com, I do have a shop directory, and it lists like all the shops in the English-speaking world, as well as thousands of reviews and listings of bikes you can compare and contrast. And it just, what's wonderful is that you work on any bike here. You know, you love bikes, and you have that. I felt like I was rushing and maybe interrupting earlier when you talked about going to school and getting that light electric vehicle designing a background. So you're a very capable person.
I'm a trained machinist, but I've been in the bicycle industry all of my life. And so we were hand making electric recumbent trikes. This one here set a speed record at Portland International Raceway. We hit 72 miles an hour on a quarter-mile track.
Those look like deep cycle, like sealed lead acid?
They were, yep. That was 50 volts and 500 amps through a 24-volt motor. It was just silly race bike.
Well, congrats on the record.
Mostly we did electric recumbent tricycles for all different customers. So we were hand building bikes for years.
Even sell some solar stuff.
Yep, we were doing solar charging stations. We really love the development of the industry, and we worked with
those guys.
Yeah, this is OptiBike. We shared a page in industry news.
Jim Turner up in Boulder.
Yeah, he's got a really great thing going. Yep.
Well, so Memory Lane, people can come in and look at some of this stuff. Again, I think you're a great guy. I'm excited for your shop. I'm wishing you luck. Anything else that you want to say before we jump off?
Please check out our website at precisionebikes.com. And if you have any questions about how to get your particular custom setup done, give me a ring. I'm always trying to help anybody I can to be able to really help develop the electric bike industry.
Rock on, buddy.
Right on, buddy.
Thanks, Josh.
Hey, thank you so much.
Good luck.
Very nice to see you.
You too.